So in this video, we are going to set up our OvenMediaEngine on our VPS. So let's go to the Quick Start tab. There's not so much we can do for, setting up the OvenMediaEngine. All you have to do is, to SSH to your VPS. And then first you have to make sure that you have installed the Docker. You can see I don't have here because my VPS is brand new. I'll write snap install docker. Pretty much straightforward. Okay, so after this is installed, you just have to write these commands inside your terminal with the IP address of your VPS. I'll copy and paste it here. Let's clear, and like this. You simply want to press enter and wait for the image to be downloaded and being run. Okay, so we can check it with docker ps command, and we will see that there's an image is running. Let's clear it again. And also for the player, for testing a version of the website, we have to run this command on port 8090. We just have to copy and paste this one here and paste it here, press enter. Pretty much straightforward. You can check it if the Docker service is running. With docker ps command, you will see that our next service is running. So till the next video, see you everyone.